We are honored to accept this year's Jack Wasserman Award, which we dedicate to Luis Asensio Cordero, Sandra Muñoz, and to all the other families who remain separated by arbitrary visa denials. 3 consecutive presidential administrations have expended vast resources to keep Sandra and Luis apart, arguing for a rule that would effectively place visa decisions beyond judicial review. No matter how the court ultimately rules in this case, the fight for due process in the consular system, a fight waged by generations of immigrants and immigration attorneys dating back to Chinese exclusion, will continue. In this era of travel and asylum bans from both parties, and with increasingly violent rhetoric against immigrants in the forefront of this election, the fight for judicial review over executive immigration decisions has never been more urgent. Thank you to AILA, thank you to Alan Diamante, who filed this lawsuit almost a decade ago, and to all who have supported this litigation and our efforts to finally bring Luis home. In particular, thank you to the National Immigrant Justice Center and Karen Zwick and Charles Roth for throwing themselves and their organization's resources fully into this case. Thank you.
Thank you, AILA, and thank you to Eric for entrusting the National Immigrant Justice Center to be your thought partners in this case. You devoted yourselves to giving Sandra and Luis the best possible chance. 15 amicus briefs and 12 practice moves later, it's safe to say you left everything on the field. Looking forward, I hope that we can all approach the fight for immigrant justice with the same commitment. The urgency and the difficulty of our work is only going to grow, but so too is its importance. The Biden administration, and not Sandra Muñoz, decided to bring this case to the Supreme Court. That choice should tell us something about the challenges in front of us. I hope to see more collaborations like this one in the future. We must all work together to represent not only the immigrants who strive to call this country home, but also to advance the notion that this country can and must be one that welcomes migrants. We can do it. As the road gets even rockier than it already is, I hope you will call on your colleagues in AILA and in the broader immigrant rights community for support and inspiration. Thank you.